Hello everyone, this is Naveen Kumar. So once again we have came with a new video and that's about PT core answer short questions. And in PT core, PT UKV and PT Academy it's somewhat same, but you have to answer the questions in this part and it's not having much more weightage because it holds only 3 to 4 scores out of 90 in the whole section. So that's why you don't have to pay much more attention to this part, but you should be aware about this part, what is in this part, and it has some questions which they ask step by step, and you have to answer these questions, and you only have to answer in a one word, one single word. If you don't know the answer, you can either say any of the word from the question.
So you'll see some instructions, an audio player, and a recorded answer box. Sometimes you may see an image that relates to the question, but not always. For our practice question today, we don't have an image, only a question. You'll have a few seconds to get ready, calm your mind, and focus. The status bar in the audio player will show you when the audio will start. Then you'll hear the question.
What do we call a test by science?
When the audio finishes, the status in the recorded answer box will change to recording, and the microphone will open. There's no tone, so start speaking into the microphone as soon as the question is finished. Simply say your answer.
For further information, you may visit our office or contact the numbers below. Thank you.